I'm not the expert. You are. And I need your help. I'm Eric, and I would love to speak the Mien language even more fluently. I believe the best way to do that is through person-to-person interaction. So please, help me start a conversation in the comment section below. Advice, corrections, criticisms, critiques. It's all welcome. Leng ting tam. Yết chung tao tao mê bùa, lòng nhé phai ô. Nai say, ta pha mu kang, yem never-ending story, phang nang. So, this is the third installment in the Never-Ending Story series of videos. Mpa, so mahatao ten year fan Never-Ending Story ben Mien wa. But up until this point, there still has not been anyone to help me translate Never-Ending Story into Mien. Hana se kong may hutu hang hano fan na jo wa Never-Ending Story ben Mien wa no to kong bu ye yim comment section below. So if you know how to translate Never-Ending Story, please let me know in the comment section below. Mpa tan ye oi to yin ye go gong tao new mao nye mien cao xian mpa ma ha tao gong bu ye yu mien yu tu nai jo wa tam ye a fai nim bu mai long nai jo wa tam ye xian wo jo wa tong wo jo wa nim bu yet gao nye wa se ta mao Hana ye oi tiu xian ben ta mao ye oi long nai jo wa. So I know that's a little rough, but that's why I'm doing this. I hope that you can correct anything I said there. The idea is that someone in the comments told me that xian means lion is not a very common word for the Mien people. It's more common to say tamao, which is tiger. So I'm going to switch it from xian to tamao. I hope that makes sense. But today's words, my 3 words today, gop means to complain, protest, or whine about. Zat means to oppress for our context here, but it could also mean to press on or push down. And then feito, which means if only, or oh that, or I wish. So, tafamukang, third installment. Nim bùa bùa tàu yang tiêu chao tê liu chia tai lao nhì phụ on nai nì nhì sang tòi mê bùa nhé bùa hiểu hải nhung xìa tòn luôn đạ tàu nhé bùa hiểu mê liêm ô phê tu bìa chê là nhé miền mái cốp thảo mê nhé chạ ê quê nai miền tham mái chào yê bùa tàu ôi mình bọ xiên hoặc bọ tâm áo quê bèo trên làng ca chia tai trong mẹ như ông chiều con yên như bùa hiểu ya quảng mái tung rào hẻm sẽ tỏng lũ nạ làng như miền mái hải chả bùa quê chủ yê bùa y tàu yang trên chào tam lô như miền tỏng nạ u tàu phụ on nên như chả ê sẽ long như trong bùa ỏi bọ tầm áo tụ hình. That's number 3. It's going in crazy direction. We'll see where it goes. Wait for number 4. Please help if you are so kind. Sẽ con mê hiu chẳng mê hiu lòng ye miền thâu thành ye thâu công chào ye lên tik tam o ya.